Hello, my name is Mayerli. My partner is.
Paltán.
We are going to represent series of exercise that can be done at home. Normal. Then we prepare everything for the exercise routine at home today. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. First, we should get our training clothes ready, especially prepare our pre-workout, and also don't forget the water.
Good idea. First, let's put on our exercise clothes. Second, we prepare our drinks.
Once we finish preparing the pre-workout, we should take it about 15 minutes before starting.
Yes, this way our body will be ready for the routine, and this way we will have more energy.
After taking the pre-workout, we can start with a light warm-up.
It's time. Therefore, let's start with the stretches.
First, let's stretch our arms and legs for 5 minutes. Once we finish stretching, we can move on to cardio exercise. What do you think?
Okay. After stretching, we will do jumping jacks for 3 minutes.
After the jumping jacks, we can alternatively do squats. Do you think it's okay?
Yes, of course. Next, we can do a series of sit-ups.
During training, we can alternate between street and cardio exercise. How about?
Sound good. After a squat, we can take a little break, right?
Yes, of course. Meanwhile, we take a short break. Let's drink water.
Because if we don't drink water, we become dehydrated. Then we will continue with the abdominals.
That's right. Then we can do some exercise with weights. Do you like the idea?
Yes, I love it. After that abdominals, we will do exercise with weight for about 10 minutes.
After lifting weights, we can do some cool down exercise.
Yes, of course. We're done with the weight. In particular, we will do a stretching exercise to cool down.
And after the final stretches, we can relax a little. Do you think it's okay?
So perfect. Because it is important to relax after a good exercise routine.
It's so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had
Good job today, Mayerli. I am sure we will feel much better after this routine.
Definitely. And let's remember that tomorrow we can repeat the routine. See you next session.
We finally finished exercise.